The celebration of our National Day in this format is unprecedented. Due to the pandemic, it will be virtual and online. It is nevertheless, and perhaps more than ever, an opportunity to celebrate with you, dear compatriots and Pakistani friends, the values of the French Republic. At the forefront of these values, fraternity is of special significance, as we have seen solidarity at work both nationally and internationally. Today, I would like to pay tribute to the courage, the perseverance, the energy, the civic sense of those who, in France, in Pakistan, and all over the world, are fighting against the epidemic with commitment. Doctors, nurses, and health workers, a number of whom have lost their lives to save others. Internationally, France was mobilized through initiatives implemented by international organizations, particularly through a contribution of 500 million euros to ACT, a global cooperation to accelerate development, production, and equitable access to COVID-19 tests, treatments, and vaccines. France has also played a key role in the negotiation that led to the decision by G20, jointly with the Paris Club, to suspend debt service payments from some countries. Pakistan is among them. In solidarity with Pakistan, France has also repurposed, through the French Development Agency, AFD, 2 envelopes amounting to 43 million euros to the COVID-19 Health Emergency Response Project. But beyond this, cooperation between France and Pakistan has been very active and dynamic. Since last year, to illustrate this, I would like to show you a short clip on our joint achievements.